Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday. Tremendous Thursday, we'll call it. Last night, I prepared black pepper chicken with mushrooms, and I topped that over, actually mixed it with some linguine. I actually swapped out the black pepper and put Szechuan pepper. I was asked yesterday, does Szechuan pepper have a different taste? Yes. It's a little hot. It's hot. It's a little bit hotter, not heat, but it's spicier. And some say it has a numbing effect to your tongue and your mouth. So, yeah. Yeah. It's the changes I made, which were very few, are in the notes for the black pepper chicken, or AKA Szechuan pepper chicken. All right, tonight I'm doing Madras Curry Chicken. We're in India. You know me, I love Indian food. And anytime I get to make it, yeah. Let's get to it. All right, got the hardware going. Dutch oven, Champions put away for a few days, and a pan, yeah, that thing. Sorry, guys. I've been up since 4. Yeah, a pan. Yeah, we'll just go from there. Sorry, for the flatbread. I got some chicken thighs going here. We'll be using ghee, which again is not just clarified butter. It's got a little bit nuttier flavor. Same technique basically as clarified butter, but not. Garlic, onion, ginger, some serrano peppers. Now the spices. Cumin seed, ground coriander, turmeric, curry, an Indian curry. This is my Indian curry. Indian paprika, garam masala. This is my blend. We'll add a little bit of sugar to that. And then I'll use about half of this can of petite cut tomatoes, some tomato paste, a little bit of salt and pepper, so kosher salt, black pepper, and some chopped cilantro for garnish. And this is my flatbread, which I get from LA Merchandise. This is paratha, which is very similar to the roti. And they're in the freezer aisle, or freezer section. So there's the goodies for tonight's dinner. You could add a little splash of cream to this to lessen the heat, because I will probably add some lal mirch to this to heat it up a little bit. I'm not going to add the cream, but you can. Next week's menu looks really good. Still working on the shopping list, but I'm not worried about it. All right, on this tremendous Thursday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.